Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Can you build a home for under 100K? One couple did. We'll learn more at the end of this video. But first, if you wish to build a home on your land, perhaps try a barndominium. And in today's video, we have the top things you should know. Number 1. What is a barndominium? A barndominium is a structure that combines a barn and a condominium. They typically include a living area built above or around a larger open space, used as a living room, barn, workshop, shed, or some other hobby space. Number 2. What are the benefits of barndominiums? First of all, because barndominiums are large open buildings, they are easier to customize than other kinds of homes. Because most barndominiums are made from steel frames, they are easy to seal, ensuring that they are often energy efficient. Other benefits include a quick construction time due to the large open floor plan, durability because of steel framing, adaptive design allowing for both live and work, and simplicity. Number 3. What are the disadvantages of a barndominium? Primarily, barndominiums can't be built everywhere. This is due to strict building codes in certain municipalities and larger cities that will not allow them. You may also find that barndominiums come with financing challenges, as they are still considered a non-traditional home, which means that not every conventional mortgage lender likes them. In a similar vein, you may find that the pool of potential buyers is smaller than with a traditional home when you go to sell your barndominium. And number 4. Given these last 2 pointers, you may be wondering, is a barndominium a good investment? Or put another way, do they hold their value? Well, every home is a little bit different, but whether your barndominium will appreciate or at least hold its value depends on the following factors: the market for barndominiums in your area, its overall square footage, its age, construction quality, and architectural features. So just like with a typical single-family home, a barndominium's ability to appreciate depends a lot on how it was constructed, where it's located, and how well it is maintained. But at this point you may be thinking, great, I'm sold on a barndominium, so how do I go about building one myself? Well, RR Buildings has a playlist with a step-by-step guide. First, you need to pour the foundation, then construct and raise up the frame walls. You'll install roof trusses on these walls, frame out the windows, install siding and a metal roof, pour the floor, and then you have to frame out and finish the interior. Now, if you really want to build a barndominium for cheap, it may be best to renovate an existing barn, which is how one couple built a barndominium for under 100K. Or alternatively, you can purchase a barndominium kit if you are looking for a relatively quick and easy process. So what do you think? Are you ready to build a barndominium? If so, tell us your story in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.